we are witnessing a very strong recovery in many parts of the world, and our occupancy, average daily rate, and revenue per available room are trending upward, continuing to trend upward, and really exceeding pre-pandemic levels in many of our markets. What's really encouraging is in the United States, our primary markets are receiving much needed relief. Cities like San Francisco and New York, Seattle, Portland, and they actually had occupancy greater than 75% in the week ending June 18th, which is very, very encouraging that people are returning not just to, I'll call it secondary and tertiary markets, but the big cities. And so tourists are returning.
Larry, how much of your business is tourism and how much of your business is people who are traveling for business?
The majority of our business at Best Western is the leisure side. And as a result, we're seeing that demand on weekends and holidays being exceptionally strong. In fact, the Saturday before Memorial Day, that Memorial Day weekend, we set an all-time system-wide record for the company for average daily rate. And in recent weeks, occupancy has generally been just slightly below pre-pandemic levels, with ADR up 11 to 18% as compared to 2019. So the performance has continued to be exceptionally strong over the summer months.
The big question people have is because of the higher gas prices, because of the higher fares that they're charging on airlines, because of the fact that so many flights are getting canceled, is this going to put a damper on things? People are taking the travel that they had already pre-planned, but will that drop off once you get out of the summer? What do you see in your forward bookings?
Our forward bookings remain exceptionally strong. With regard to the weekend coming up, by way of example, AAA is predicting nearly 48 million people will travel more than 50 miles over the weekend holiday. And this represents a 3.7% increase over 2021. So although gas prices have increased and there has been, I'll call it the headwind of inflation, travel has remained tremendously strong. What happens after the, I'll call it, very, very successful summer season is yet to be determined, recognizing there are those headwinds. We're hopeful that business travel continues to rebound, however, in the fall, as it has begun in the summer as well.
Let's talk about that inflation headwind that you mentioned. How much is inflation impacting you in terms of your profit margins? What have you seen in terms of higher costs, and how do you offset it?
I'd say what hotels are experiencing is consistent with what consumers are experiencing. Labor, operating costs, those are all increasing consistent with the rate of inflation. So far, I think consumers have understood that our hoteliers, who are generally small businessmen operating independent hotels, are witnessing the same cost increases that they are. And they've been tremendously tolerant of hoteliers as a result, having to adjust rates to also account for inflation, such that it's not impacting their bottom line any more than it would any other consumer.